guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install the new WeatherTech floor mats for the Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're back. Today I'm very happy and excited because we're gonna install the floor mats. I've been waiting for these floor mats for a long time, and after I got it, the snow came here to Texas. But you can see Supra, nice and clean. So we're ready. Let's open the box. Let's see what it comes inside of the box. All right, so let's start with that. What's up guys, Emmanuel. Today we have a lot of snow here in Houston. Wow, it's amazing. You can see the car has a lot of snow. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. For those who don't know what Skillshare is an online learning community with more than 25,000 courses in business, design, photography, and many more. One course that I like a lot is this one, Video on a Budget by Christopher Rhodes. This one, he will teach you how to create great videos with the equipment that you have. He tells you how to choose locations around you. So it is a great course that I like a lot. And if you are interested in these courses, click on my link. The first 1,000 people to click the link on my description will get free trial of Skillshare Premium. That's amazing. Thank you Skillshare for making this video possible. And if you are interested in this online learning platform, click on the link down below to get started and create something amazing. All right. Wow, this is the first time I bought something this expensive for the floor mats. These are like $130 for the Supra. Okay, but the link is gonna be on the description down below if you want to get this. I'm gonna put some options for Corolla for this on the description of the video too. All right. But this, look at this, it's amazing. Wow, it's beautiful. With these floor mats, you have to remove your old OEM floor mat. You have to remove everything. Even you have to put the new clips. Remove the OEM clips and put this one. Comes with 4, but I only need 2. And I think this is like the product, like a warranty thing. But right here it says remove previously installed floor mats. Okay, and debris. But I already did that. So let's install this on the car and let's see how they fit. Okay, the first thing we have to do is remove the old floor mat. This one. And then these clips, I think you have to turn, twist and pull. Yes, twist 90 degrees and pull. Let's see the other one. Push, twist and pull. Oh yeah, so I need 4. I thought I only need 2. I need 2 for each side. So let's pull the other ones. Okay, I got the other ones for the WeatherTech.
So how can we do it? Let's see. Let me see. Okay, like this, 90. Okay, and then twist. Whoa, which way? Oh, so it's in the wrong way. So put it like this, and then okay, make sure the hook is like this, going to the back. So let's try the next one. Like that, and then twist. Yeah. It's not that hard. So let's put the format. So now let's put the other one. This. Oh no. Wrong one. This one. Come on. I think I don't need that. Oh wow. Ooh. What? Perfect. This is perfect. I love it. Ooh. Yes. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, one side is done, so let's do the other side. It's very easy. Let me see. I have to push here. Ah, yeah. I have to push there. Yes. All right. So now, same thing with this one. Pull that. Put this. Let's put out of the way. And now the clips. Let's see. Which way? Yeah. One. Twist 90 degrees. Ooh. And cool. So let's put the other ones. Cool. Okay. This is the other one. Oh. Okay. Sorry, I forgot the clips. Where are the clips? Right here. Where's the clips? Okay, so these are the clips. So this one, I have to, I think, put it like this and twist. Same thing with the other one. Put it like this. Oh, what? Doesn't want to go in. Okay, I got it. Look. Beautiful. Now let's put the floor mat. This is the floor mat. Let's put it which way? Like this. Like this. Oh man. You have to push a little bit so this thing will get the shape. Yes. Beautiful. Man, amazing. So you will have a little bit of space in here depending on the seat, the way you have it, but I think it's fine. It will protect the carpet. Super nice. So there you have both of the floor mat. This is the passenger side and this is the driver's side. I love it. It's amazing. I like it. I'm so happy. I don't know, it's just a floor mat, but whew, man. Now I have better protection for my carpet. Yeah, so it's very good. I might get the cargo floor mat too for the back, for the trunk, but that's for a different video. Okay, I'm gonna get, I saw another one. It's not a WeatherTech, it's a cheaper brand, but it looks the same. So it's a good thing to test other brands and see how they work. But this one is beautiful. You can see it, interior of the Supra. Okay guys, those are the WeatherTech floor mats. They are amazing, and now I have protection for the interior of my car, for dust, water, mud, everything. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments. The links for these floor mats are gonna be in the description down below, and I'm gonna put some options for Corollas and Camry in the description of the video down below. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.